When most people hear the name Bloomberg, they picture a financial news network running headlines across a television screen or articles published in Bloomberg Businessweek. While media and journalism put the company in the public eye, they only scratch the surface of what the organization actually does. Bloomberg LP is fundamentally a massive data, software, and technology company that functions as the invisible operating system for global finance. At the absolute core of the business model is the Bloomberg terminal. Introduced in the early 1980s by Michael Bloomberg and his co-founders, this specialized computer system and software package revolutionized how financial professionals access information. Long before modern cloud computing or widespread internet data feeds, Wall Street traders had to piece together fragmented price quotes, economic reports, and company filings from multiple sources. Bloomberg unified all of this into a single, dedicated hardware and software interface. Today, tens of thousands of financial institutions, hedge funds, banks, and corporate headquarters pay roughly $30,000 per user annually to keep these terminals active on their desks. The terminal is much more than just a screen showing stock prices. It acts as an all-encompassing toolkit for the financial elite. Users can execute trades, track macroeconomic trends, analyze historical asset valuations, and monitor real-time risk exposures across global markets. Furthermore, it features a proprietary secure messaging system often called Instant Bloomberg, which functions as the secure social network for the world's most powerful dealmakers, brokers, and institutional investors. Because so many market participants rely on this network to communicate and trade, it creates a powerful ecosystem that keeps clients deeply locked into the platform. Beyond the physical terminal hardware and its desktop software, Bloomberg has expanded deeply into enterprise data infrastructure. Through services like BPipe and various data licensing agreements, the company feeds raw financial data directly into the internal computer systems of massive global banks and corporations. If an institution needs to value millions of complex fixed-income securities or comply with strict international regulatory standards, they often license Bloomberg's computational engines to handle it behind the scenes. This enterprise branch ensures that the company makes money not just from individual trader desks, but from entire corporate data pipelines. This brings us to the side of Bloomberg that the general public knows best: media, news, and publishing. Bloomberg News employs thousands of journalists, editors, and researchers stationed across the globe. While television broadcasts, radio segments, websites, and magazines like Businessweek are visible to everyone, they originated primarily as a value-added feature to make the Bloomberg terminal more indispensable. The newsroom feeds real-time geopolitical and corporate insights directly onto the terminal screens milliseconds before public release, giving financial subscribers an immediate trading advantage. Over time, that journalistic apparatus grew into a standalone global media powerhouse. Ultimately, Bloomberg occupies a unique position in the modern global economy by bridging technology, high-stakes data analytics, and journalism. It succeeds by controlling the flow of information that drives international capital markets, turning real-time data into an essential utility for the world's decision-makers.